Hi, so this is the cable way tray I have made for the welding machine. They're going to be on these two shelves. So what I noticed last time we did a job that the cables from these two machines were laying on the floor. So what I have come up with this design is, let's say these are the outlets. So the cables will come from here. We're going to push them through this, run them under, bring them out, and then they can go to the machines right here, machines that are located here. And this, I'm going to show you here actually because you can see it. We can remove those, and then we can just run the cable right inside these. It's going to come out of here, run out of this, come out of there, and then it can be on this machine. It will make it look a little bit nicer and cleaner. Um, so let me know if this works for you, and I can add that on. All right, thanks.